Hi, join me to a quick guide on the importance of your eyelashes or cleaning your eyelashes. Your eyelashes may be small but they play a big role in your eye health and beauty. So let's see. So here you see an actual patient that her lashes is full of dust and debris. First, lash cleaning is very vital for your eye health. Lashes, as I said, protect your eyes from dust and debris, but they can collect these particles over time. Imagine the discomfort of having debris in your eyes. So clean lashes help prevent eye irritation. But it's not just about comfort. Dirty lashes can lead to eye infections like pink eye or conjunctivitis. So these microbes can thrive on dirty lashes and increasing the risk of infection. So taking care of your lashes is important too. Cleaning lashes are less likely to break out and fall. Healthy lashes appear longer and enhance your natural beauty. If you have allergies, eyelash cleaning can help. Removing these allergens from your lashes can reduce allergy symptoms. So in summary, eyelash cleaning isn't just about beauty, it's about eye health, enhancing your beauty and ensuring your comfort. So when was the last time you have your eyelashes cleaned? So comment down below. So you could book an appointment to have your lashes cleaned. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful tips. Maraming salamat po!